Hi YouTube and welcome to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka Demo Graphics, and today I'm at a client's house and I've just painted the walls white. So I've given it a fresh coat of white. I'm about to do a white ceiling with glittery flake in it, and then I'm going to start doing the artwork on the feature wall behind me. So let's get to it. This is the first time I'm doing a glittery ceiling, so I'm going to add the glitter to the paint in a tray. I've been told not to add it straight into the paint bucket, otherwise it sinks to the bottom. So the idea is that you mix it up as you go in the tray to get an even application of the glitter flake. Okay, so the way I'm approaching the ceiling is I've got my paint in the tray. I've got the glitter flake here. So this is Valspar glitter, silver paint glitter. And I got this from B&Q. I'm using Dulux walls and ceiling paint. I've got a pole here to roll the ceiling. I've put the dust sheet down so that the splats land on the sheet, and I'm going to do one half and then move over to do the other half. So I'm just going to tear this open and add just a little sprinkling in there and just evenly apply the paint to the ceiling. So I've just opened the packet and this stuff goes everywhere. I've just got it all over my leg. It's going to be walking around sparkling. I'm just going to add a bit in there and then mix that up. So this is the feature wall workspace. So the next stage is to get an outline sketched up on here. So just like that, the sketch is on the wall. So we've got the Ronaldo Manchester United shirt, got Wolverine, Iron Man, Deadpool. This is going to be Black Panther, Ninjago character, and we've got Spider-Man swinging in to fight this dragon here. We've got the Ninjago background, the sky, so it's going to be all oranges fading into blues, and the Ultimate Warrior mask with drips coming down, so it's going to be more arty and creative. We've got another Ninjago building in the background there. So yeah, now it's time to start adding the colour. Okay, so I've got as far as I can today. Probably got more paint on my face than I did on the walls. But yeah, that's what you get when you're painting the ceilings. So I've got the sunset in the background, it's all sketched up. Going to add some blues and stuff like that tomorrow, so there'll be more progress made tomorrow. Okay, so we're getting there. It's as far as I can take it today. Tomorrow I'm going to come back and add the details, some of the Ninjago characters and Lego Marvel characters. I'm going to add the detail to all the buildings as well. So today we've got the main base of the work done, and then tomorrow we're going to refine it. So, nearly finished. This wall's done. I'm just going to add a silhouette on this wall here in the corner. So that's the last thing, and then I've got to go around and do the skirting with gloss paint. Right, so that is it. We finally got to the end. We've got the silhouette down here. What was the guy's name?
Seve Ballesteros.
Seve Ballesteros, famous European golfer.
Yeah.
And then we've got this amazing scene here with the Angry Birds, Marvel Lego, and Ninjago fighting a Ninjago dragon, with the nod to the Ultimate Warrior and Ronaldo's shirt. So lots of stuff going on here. I'll show you a close-up. And I've even done the side skirts. So gloss them, extra touch. So yeah, I'm not a painter and decorator, but if you pay me enough, I'll be whatever you want me to be. So you can see there's a sparkle flake in the ceiling, which is a nice touch. So that's it. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.